Ndị Igbo kwenu, ụmụ Igbo kwenu, kwezuonu. Ndewonu, ndị Igbo na-amasị. Greetings to you lovers of Igbo. You're welcome to today's lesson. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. Let's learn Igbo. Today we'll start with the Igbo alphabet. Of course, you know that if you want to learn any language, the very first thing you do is to learn the alphabet. And so the Igbo alphabet is called Mkpụrụedemede Igbo, or Mobo, or in Igbo is Mobo. So it is called Mkpụrụedemede Igbo, Mobo, Abidii Igbo. Ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya Abidii Igbo. Ụfọdụ na-akpọkwa ya Mkpụrụedasụsụ Igbo. Did you get what I said? I just said that the Igbo alphabet is called Mkpụrụedemede Igbo, or Abidii Igbo, or Abidii Igbo, or Mkpụrụedasụsụ Igbo. So any of these three, if you hear it or see it, we're talking about the Igbo alphabet. Right, the Igbo alphabet is 36 in number. Mkpụrụedemede Igbo dị 36. Don't worry about the numbers. You learn more about Igbo numbers in our upcoming videos. Just watch out for that. So Mkpụrụedemede Igbo dị 36. The Igbo alphabet is 36 in number. Now don't be scared. Now, if you are familiar with the English alphabet, all the letters of the English alphabet are also in the Igbo alphabet. Do you get that? All the letters of the English alphabet are also in the Igbo alphabet. So that means if you're familiar with the English alphabet, you already know more than half of the Igbo alphabet. So I told you that so that you become 36 is not too much. All right, but then except CQX, we have CQX in English, but we don't have that in Igbo. So if you remove that from the 26, you have 23. So that means you already know 23 letters of the Igbo alphabet. Isn't that encouraging? Yes. So that means we just have to learn 13 new more letters. We just have to learn 13 new more letters. Because 36 minus 23, you have 13. So our attention is going to be on the 13 new more letters. Now the 13 new more letters we have to learn are Chi, We, Re, We, E, O, U, Pe, Pwe, Ni, Ni, We, Sh. I didn't put it in the right order. I did it like that deliberately because we're going to work together. We're going to arrange them together. So I just listed the 13 new letters that we have to learn. Now, these are the 23 letters of the English alphabet that you already know. These are the 13 new letters that we're going to learn. So let's arrange them alphabetically. We'll do it together. So we have A and B of the English alphabet. What do you think will come next? Looking at the Igbo alphabet, we have Chi. We have Chi. So we have A, B, Chi. Don't worry about the pronunciation. We'll talk about that later. So we have A, B, Chi. We have D. We have E of the English alphabet. Fi. We have G. That's the G. What do you think should come next? Look at the G family that I listed. We have GH, GB, GW. Which one should come first? GB, you are correct. So that's way sound. After GB, we have what? GH. Yes. Then after that, we have one next. GW. So I take it again. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, W, R, W. Alright. So what should come next? Then you have H, the normal English H. Then you have I, normal English I. Then what next? Yes, the extra I in Igbo is pronounced as E. So we have I and E. After that one next, we have our J, we have our K. After K, what do you think should come next? Look at the K family there again. have KP and KW. Which should come first? KP, you are correct. That's P, then P. After that, you have L, Li, you have M, you have N. After N, look at the N family again. You have NY, NW, N with a dot on top. What should come first? W, of course, comes before Y. So we have NW, we have NY, Ni, and we have N with a dot on top. Don't worry, we'll learn about the pronunciation in subsequent videos. Alright, so after the N, we have our usual O. After O, we have the extra O there. O with a dot on that, that's O. Right, after that, we have P, we have R, we have S, C sound, then we have our SH there, that's sh sound. Then we have T, U, your usual U, then there's an extra U, U with a dot on that, that's O, we have that. Then we have V, we have we have, there's no X, we have Yi, and then we have Z. We have our 36 letters, just like that. So you see that it's easy. These are the 36 letters of the Igbo alphabet. And so, let's do a recap of what we did today. So, remember we said this lesson is all about the letters of the Igbo alphabet. And so the Igbo alphabet is called Mkpụrụedemede Igbo. You can say that after me. Mkpụrụedemede Igbo. Or Mobo is O. Mobo. Mkpụrụedemede Igbo. Let's go again. Mkpụrụedemede Igbo. Now, for simplicity, for some people just say Abidii Igbo. So if you hear that, they're saying the same thing. So Abidii Igbo. That's still the Igbo alphabet. Or this, you usually see it in advanced studies. Mkpụrụedemede Igbo. Did you get that? Mkpụrụedemede Igbo. Now remember, we said that the letters of the Igbo alphabet, are 36 in number. Mkpụrụedemede Igbo dị 36. That's 36. So we'll learn more about numbers and you understand. Right? Mkpụrụedemede Igbo dị 36. The letters of the Igbo alphabet are 36 in number. And I told you, when you hear 36, don't be scared. If you're familiar with the letters of the English alphabet, you already know more than half of the letters of the Igbo alphabet. So just like we did, we have 23 letters of the English alphabet in Igbo. That's the 26 letters apart from C, Q, X. So what you need to do is master these 13 letters. Learn these 13 letters. Those are the new things you're learning. Then arrange them alphabetically. And you have the 36 letters of the Igbo alphabet. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. So in our next video, we're going to talk about we'll learn the pronunciation. So we pick up the letters one after the other and we'll learn how to pronounce them. And so watch out for that video. And do not forget to subscribe and share this video to everyone you know that it will benefit. And so, Daalụ, that's thank you. See you later.